Hi there, this is Ritesh once again and welcome to my channel. In the first part of this video, I have shown how to fix ipconfig.exe malware and it does fix it, but maybe for some people that may not be the permanent fix. As sooner they restarted their system, they may be facing the same problem again. So this video is for those who are still suffering from ipconfig.exe malware. Well, this tutorial is applicable for any kind of malware as well. If you take a close look, something is flashing on my screen with black background. So if you didn't notice, just pay a little attention to my window screen. So let's wait to flash it again. Here you've seen something flashed on my screen with black background. So let's see how to fix it. Well, it is ipconfig.exe malware, which is very popular right now. So let's go to Google. There, just type Malwarebytes. So here you can see I am redirected to csc.google.com. If you are suffering from malware, you may be redirected to other homepage. As if now you can see, rather than going on Google, I have redirected to some other page. That means you are suffering from malware. If you don't know whether your system is suffering from malware or not, then you can check my previous post where I shown how to know whether your system is infected with malware or not. After searching Malwarebytes, just go to very first option here. After getting to that website, just free download it. Just go with free version, it will fix our problem. So here my downloading is completed. Now open it. I go to download. Here it shows me the downloaded file. Open it, run it. Just go with the options, minimize this one. That's all. Now it will install this anti-malware tool in your system. So installation is completed. Just launch it. So as you launch it, you will find it is updating its database version. It may take a while. This ipconfig.exe malware is very much annoying. It regularly flashes on your screen, which makes it very difficult to work with the computer. So don't worry, this is the permanent solution where you can fix your ipconfig.exe malware. Click on scan now. Let's wait for some moment. Successfully completed the process. Now as you can see, it has detected more than 2500 threads in my system, and if you take a close look to it, you will find many of them are adwares. If I will scroll it down, you can see these all are adwares which are in my system. This includes every malware in your system, including the ipconfig.exe malware. I have around 2700 malware in my system. Let's remove it. Select this all and remove. So here it's successfully removed. So this will ask you to restart your system. Let's restart the system. Here I restarted my system. Here are some few more processes which you need to do to completely remove the malware from your system. So open your browser, then go to Google, then search for the tool Adware Cleaner. Meanwhile, also open a new tab, go to the Google and search for Junkware Removal Tool and go to very first website. Go to it and download it. You can download it from here. Similarly, you can download it from here. I already downloaded it. Download it and install it. So I'm going to my download section. Here it's right here. I'm opening it. So now this will open a window. For starting this cleaning procedure, better to close your Chrome so that it can scan for malware effectively, because there may be chance that malware or adware may be present in your Chrome browser, so better to close it. Wait till the process completes. It successfully scanned, and in my case it didn't detected any kind of thread, but it not be same in your system. If it detected any kind of thread here, then clean it and restart your system. Then after one more process is left, open up your junk removal tool that you just downloaded. Hit the enter button to start the process. So here it completed the process. So now your system is free from malware. So this is it, guys. We have seen that using these three tools you can completely wipe out malware from your system. So now your system is malware free. This is all for now, and let me know if you have any question in the comment section below, and hit the like button if you find this video useful. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe so that you can be updated with my latest tips and tricks. Thank you.